Hey, what's going on, guys? Pretty much in this video I want to show you guys the options we offer for 6.8 RFE. If you got a 07.5 and newer Cummins of a 6.7, the option that I have here behind me, it's a stage 2 from Randy's. It's a plug and play kit. So this is actually going a 2018 Ram 2500 4x4, and it's a little spiced up, but the customer is just using it as a tow rig, so he's always towing his boat, using it for construction. So he's pretty much always towing with it. So that's why we went up to stage 2. Stage 2 is a great option if your truck's, how I said, spiced up. This kit in particular is good for 750 to the tire, or if you're using it for towing like every day, how this customer is. So he's not making 750 to the tires, but he just wants something durable since he's always towing. He's actually pretty much always going to Oregon. He just went to Kansas right now. Once he comes back, he's gonna pick up his truck. But you get the point. He's always driving, from out of state to state. We're in California, so he does a lot of driving. So he just wants to make sure it's good. We can either build yours, how we're doing on his, or we can get you one already ready from Randy's. This case, we're gonna build his because the turnaround's a lot faster and you save him some money. For example, turnaround on this, it was 2 weeks, compared if we get one from Randy's, it's about 6 weeks out, and then plus to install it. So I'll show you the kit behind us, and that way you guys get an idea of what we can offer for you if you have a diesel truck. Alright, so this is the actual kit here, all laid apart. Again, this is their plug and play, so everything already comes assembled. For example, this is their Baby Maker 1000, it already comes assembled. Same thing, the pump assembly is already assembled, and both of these are built to their specs. Again, this whole kit is plug and play, so ideally we just take everything out of the old one and install all the new parts, and everything's already spec'd to their specs from Randy's. So again, Baby Maker 1000, built valve body, comes with the updated accumulators, updated valves, the heavy duty plate, that it doesn't blow off as the stock one does. The updated pump. We got the new reverse drum here. It comes with the new heavy duty sprag as well. And then again, all these clutches here, they're not stock, they're all set to custom clearances. And then we got the center support, same thing, already comes pre-assembled. And then we got the overdrive drum here with the billet input shaft as well. So this overdrive drum here is pretty much like the heart of the 68, because this always tends to fail. So again, this is actually built to their specs of the overdrive drum, and it has the billet input shafts because we are using a triple disc torque converter on this. In any diesel truck, you put a triple disc, you have to put an input shaft, a billet one, my bad, otherwise it's gonna snap off. So we got everything there. This is the case. It's all washed and painted now. We're also installing a deep pan and a billet flywheel, which is back here. And then all new gears. My bad, not all new gears. Anytime you build transmission, we reuse the gears. Doesn't matter who you buy it from. It can be Randy, Suncoast. You get it from the dealer, it doesn't matter. But they're inspected, make sure they pass, and if they pass, we reuse them. Those are called hard parts. You always reuse the hard parts on the transmission. But yeah, this is it. I'll show you some clips once we assemble it. All right, guys, so that's the final product. Again, this is going to 2018 Ram 2500, 6.7 Cummins, of course. This is stage 2, rated for 750 horsepower from Randy's. We just did the plug and play kit, so now we're gonna install it. All that's left is install, quick learn, road test it, and turn it into the customer.